Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited to have you back and to cook for you today. Like no other day, I am hungry. As usual, nothing has changed. Still love eating, still love cooking. I'm gonna do that for you today. So what I'm doing today is I have leftovers. I have some pork that I made, actually some sesame marinated pork from earlier this week. I'm gonna basically chop it up and repurpose it and use it for leftovers and make some pork fried rice. It's gonna be really simple, easy to make, takes about 20-25 minutes max. Most of my meals I try to make take basically 30 minutes or less. It's super simple. I have not that much time. Everybody's busy, so am I. And I say, you know what, why not make something at home that's affordable, simple, healthy, and easy to make. And I really try to make all these meals in 30 minutes or less. Takes a little bit more time sometimes because I'm actually recording it and editing and all that kind of stuff, but trust and believe you can do it too at home, so keep that in mind. Please remember, as always, to stay tuned, turn notifications, comment, and share the video, and more to come, so stay tuned, more to come. Thanks. Some frozen veggies from Whole Foods. It's like the 365 brand. I have some nice pineapple chunks, I'm gonna use those. And then I also have some vegetable medley. It's like basically carrots, lima beans, green beans, make a whole, and then just basically, that's probably enough. Use this probably about a half a cup of those. And then I'm going to also use probably about 1/2 cup of pineapples too. And these pineapple chunks will kind of like soften as you make this, because we're gonna probably put this in as one of the last items, all right? So I'm basically twist that and then use it again for something else later on. So it's pretty simple. So I have some oils here. I have some grapeseed oil and some olive oil. I'm gonna probably use a combination of both. Grapeseed oil is great because it kind of has a higher flash point or burn rate. It doesn't really kind of burn or smoke as much as olive oil, but it's great still. I have my 6-inch chef knife from Tan Rim, which I love. It's very sharp. I almost cut myself. And I have my 7-inch Santoku. I'm probably gonna edit that out because I don't even know if I pronounced that right. I probably need to go on YouTube and learn how they pronounce these knives first before I start talking about them like that. All right, guys. Our ingredients consist of a cup of pineapples, probably about a half a cup of pineapples. Then we're gonna have about a half a cup of, this is like mixed vegetables. It's like a mixture of carrots, green beans, lima beans, as well as corn. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. I'm just gonna scramble those. And then I'm going to use some okra. This is probably about a half a cup of okra. So I got our pink Himalayan salt right there. Gotta love that. I'm using some organic soy sauce. So I'm using some rice, just some normal rice, white rice. Making nice kind of cubed portions of this pork. So we're gonna take this onion, and what I like to always do is I like to basically chop it down the middle, so that basically you're basically cutting directly through the root end, which is basically here and also here, right? So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you why. Okay, so we have nice 2 even portions. These portions sit over there. Those right here. Alright, and then I'm just gonna evenly chop, kind of tender like slices of garlic. We're gonna dice it up. This is kind of the first part of breaking it down. It's just gonna chop these nice little even slices. Nice even slices. And then I'm gonna kind of ever so easily go through and my knife, I'm using basically the base of the knife right here, and I'm gonna chop that up nicely. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in our diced onions. It's that one that garlic to brown a little bit, that's all. Get nice and toasted, just lightly toasted. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our pork to the mixture. We'll go ahead and add the pork to the mixture. I'm gonna kind of make a little bit of a valley in the middle. I'm gonna add in this okra in there. So now I'm going to add in the corn and the green beans and the lima beans and carrot mixture. Which is basically, it's like a vegetable medley. Very cheap, inexpensive, simple to get from any grocery store, frozen food aisle, or you can make your own if you want to show off. But I'm hungry and I don't really have time for all that, so. So, this is what I have to do. As you see it, I like to make a nice little valley in there. Add a little bit of olive oil in there. Then we're gonna take our egg, get it nice and hot, and add the egg in here and just kind of let it just ever so easily let it kind of cook in this little mix, this little valley. Add a little bit of salt to that. And it cooks really quickly, so there you go. Oh, the top almost fell off. So kind of ever so quickly just kind of mix it up like this. This is how I like to do it. There's a lot of different ways. You can do it separately and scramble it, but I feel like this is an easy, simple way of doing it all in one pan. Add in some red pepper flakes. Chunks of pineapple. And a little bit of that juice too. That diced pineapple. It's gonna be great. So now I'm gonna add the rice. I'm gonna add about, I would say, a cup of rice, maybe a cup and a half of rice. It's been cooked already.